Hey traders, so I'm in a small position here on the Nasdaq. I've gone short. Overall, the bias is short for the Nasdaq, and I'm probably going to scale out of this position soon. It's just a small position. Now, I've noticed by speaking to a lot of traders that they get into profitable positions, but they don't bank profit. And they get into winning trades, but they expect too much out of the market, and then they actually don't bank any profit. So one thing that I like to do is just close out majority of the position. So just bank a bit of profit and then leave a bit on to run. I'm going to show you on TradingView the reasoning as to why I took this trade, but it's very important, as I say, to bank some profits and just grow your account. So it's not a whole, I've been in this trade now for like 4 hours. So I know it's a small trade, but you want to pay yourself. You don't want to spend all that time, all that effort, all that mental energy and not take any profit out of the market. Okay, so overall why I took this trade is because we see Nasdaq pushed up here in the morning. It came from the bottom here and it pushed up. Now I knew that it's not just going to fly up. Sometimes it will, but 80 to 90% of the time there will be a pullback. So I wanted to trade the pullback, and I decided to trade the pullback based off of this area over here on the left, this major order block over here. As you can see, price came up, gave us some nice bearish price action over there, and I hopped in there after seeing this candle over here, this bearish doji. So trading can be quite simple if you just sort of know what you're doing. Price is always going to knock its head on things and move around. We can see the same thing. So we can see the same thing up here. If we look at this from here, so this candle, even if we look here, it will actually raise that up. If we also look here, we can see that price, if we look, price pushed down, came back up, looked bullish for a while, but smacked its head on this order block over here and then reversed. So this is following the trend, but looking for areas where price will turn from to create lower lows and lower highs. In this case, this is a current lower high. And it looks like it's going to carry on moving down. Who knows, but I've already banked some profits. Okay, traders, so my partial got tapped out at break even. But see the amazing thing here, check how price came down and basically reversed off this structure and now is pushing up. See this little structure there on the left? So can you see how price is always respecting structure? And that's why price moves in. It moves fractally and moves in waves based off of structure. So once you understand market structure, it's actually pretty simple to find really high quality entries. Cheers, love ya. Pulls.